Ever felt like you stumbled upon a hidden treasure of knowledge? Well, guess what? I've uncovered a brand new niche that's practically untouched on YouTube. Nobody's talking about it, and no one's dared to create content in this space. But here's the kicker, you have a golden ticket to seize this untapped opportunity and skyrocket your presence on YouTube. In this video, I'll spill the secrets on crafting mind-blowing historical shorts that'll go viral in no time. So, buckle up and join me on this exciting journey to master the art of professional-level historical content. Let's dive right in. The first step is to generate your script using ChatGPT. Ask the chatbot to create a short and engaging story about World War II that you can use in a 30-second YouTube Shorts video. Then, the chatbot will generate a unique and engaging script for your video. Now, how can we create the visuals? For this step, we'll also use ChatGPT to generate prompts. Now, give me a list of text prompts that you could use in Leonardo AI to generate visuals. ChatGPT provides massive results. It gives you prompts for visuals. Now, our script is ready. The second part of the video is generating visuals using Leonardo AI. You can use other tools like Midjourney, but I recommend using Leonardo AI as it gives 150 credits daily for free, more than enough. Go to the Image Generation tab and simply copy the first prompt, then paste it into Leonardo AI. You can add hyper-realistic to make it more lifelike. Select the ratio 9:16, then choose the Leonardo Diffusion XL model for better results. I can recommend trying another model to generate images. Once you are done, click the Generate button. This AI tool produces better images for your visuals. Look at this, I really like this amazing result. If you don't like the picture, click on Generate again. This tool generates another image for you. Repeat the process for every prompt, copy the second prompt, paste it into Leonardo AI, and then click Generate. Now, you can see I have generated all the images. Simply download them to your device. Open the images and click on the download button to save them to your device. Now, the visuals are done. The third step of the video is generating our voiceover. I highly recommend using 11 Labs. You can find the link in the description box. Now, go to ChatGPT, copy the script, go back to 11 Labs, and paste the script. Here you can find various speakers for speech. Choose anyone you like. I continue with Adam because his voice is good. Simply select this and click Generate. Now, our voice is ready. Moving to the next step, which is editing the video using CapCut. Go to CapCut and import all the images and voice that you generated. Now, select all and drop it onto the timeline. First of all, remove the pauses from the audio. Select the audio and click on Split to trim out the pauses. Do this with every pause from the voice. Here you can see I have done this work. Now, you need to listen to the voice and adjust the images according to the voice. Now, you can see I have adjusted the images according to the voice. Here, the video looks too simple. Let's animate this. To do this, select the image, click on Animate, and click on Combo. Now, here you can find many animations for images. Go for Zoom 1 and select this. Now you can see it's looking good. Now, you have to add transitions, but it's optional. It's your choice. Go to the Transition tab and select something that you like. For example, I add the Inhale transition. To add this transition, download it and click on the plus. Now, you can see this. So, repeat the process that I have done, and make sure to add a new animation for every image once you have done. Now, add some filters. Click on Filter and search for Clear. I really like this filter. Add this to the timeline and adjust it for the entire video. Now, add some effects. Go to the Effects section and scroll down until you see the spark. Click Spark, and here you can add the Spark 2 effect. It's a cool effect. Add it to the timeline and adjust it for the entire video. Now, add another effect. You can also try other effects, it's your choice. Simply go to Nature. Let's add the Firefly transition. It makes the video more engaging. Drop it onto the timeline and adjust the size for the entire video. Let's add the Starry transition, but it's not looking great, so I can lower the atmosphere to 58. Now you can see it's looking better. Adjust the size for the entire video. Now, how can we find the best background music? Go to YouTube and search for History Videos royalty-free background music. Choose one that you like and download it. Come back to CapCut, import the video, and drop it onto the timeline. Here you can see it's a video, but I need audio only for this. Right-click on this video and click on Extract Audio and delete the video file. Now you can see I have only audio. Adjust the size and lower the volume to -20. Split the extra audio and delete it. Now, you only have one thing left, which is captions. But I faced a problem in the CapCut app. Don't worry, if you find the error, simply export the video in high resolution. Then go to the browser and search for CapCut, then click on the free online video editor. You can also use CapCut in your browser online. So, upload the exported file and drop it onto the timeline. Then select the caption and click on Auto Caption, select the language, and click on Generate. Now your text is ready. Now, add animation, select all the text and go to Text on the right side. Here you can change the font and color. Then click to Animate and go to Caption. I really like the spring transition, select the animation and then adjust the font size. Now, you can see our video is ready. Now click on Export, then choose Download, select High Resolution, and export it to your device. Your video is ready for publishing on YouTube. So, friends, this ends the video. I hope you enjoy it. Please smash the like button, hit the subscribe button, and leave a cute comment down below. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.